The first investment has to be on yourself, on your health, on your skills, so that you earn more. But if you earn more, make sure that you create more and more assets with your earning, rather than adding more and more outflows of your cash, which is not yielding you cash.
अब जो एसेट्स की आप बात कर रहे हो कि जो आपको आगे पैसे जनरेट करके देंगे, किस तरह के एसेट्स हम बोल रहे हैं? अगर हम कार नहीं, मोबाइल नहीं देंगे।
मैं ये नहीं कह रहा कि कार नहीं, मोबाइल नहीं, मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि आप कार भी लो, मोबाइल भी लो, लेकिन एक्स्ट्रा वैगन मत लो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर आपके पास इफ यू वांट टू बाय अ 50 लाख रुपीस कार, you could easily buy a 10 lakh rupees car. Put that 40 lakh rupees to get and earn money for you. This is what I'm trying to say. So when you talk about passive income, I think there are multiple ways where you could go and create passive incomes. Very simple example would be buying some good dividend yielding stocks. Every quarter you get some dividend out of it, so you start getting some income out of it. Another example could be owning a house or a property which you are giving it on rent. The fixed rent that is coming in. If you own a commercial property, the rental yield will be very high, about 4 to 5%. But if it is a residential property, the rental yield will be 2 or 2.5%. So these are the things, if you are starting investing them and putting them to get some money from what you have built up, this is a real circle of wealth creation, I think.
So I think what we're trying to say is that make money earn for you. Right?
Absolutely.
At the end of the day, it is all about wealth generation and make your money earn for you so that wealth can be created over a period of time.
Absolutely. The famous quote by Warren Buffett, that if you are not earning while you are sleeping, you can never be rich. So I think your assets should keep on earning for you even while you are sleeping.
Even while you're sleeping. और हम इसके बारे में बात करेंगे नेक्स्ट अपने सीरीज में, जहां हम बताएंगे कि पैसिव इनकम और वेल्थ जनरेशन हम कैसे कर सकते हैं फॉर द मासेस एंड फॉर एवरीबॉडी. थैंक यू.
Thank you very much.